Well, in our home, we've had Domino, Hades, and Jager. What other dog names do you think are good dog names?
I personally do not like too much of a common name like Spot or
Fido.
I had a friend who named their dog DOG.
DOG.
Yes, I like that one. DOG.
Was the name of the dog, or was the name DOG?
It was technically DOG, but if you spelled it, it's just dog.
Dog.
How about you? What's your favorite dog name?
I have 3 favorite dog names. John Very Happy. Oh, it's a Korean joke. No, I don't know. Actually, I never thought about this too much, but your sister, Connie, she's the one that started giving us dog names that went with Greek gods. Mm-hmm. And of course we have Hades and Mars. Mars was a dog we had in our life for a little while. I think Connie also named another dog Pluto. I'm not sure about that. Anyway, I think those are good names for dogs. Greek god names. Well, yeah, and again, some people are afraid of dogs, some are not. Some dogs are friendly, some dogs are scary. Oh, here's a question. Have you ever been bitten by a dog? Have you?
Yes, I have. Several times. Many times.
Many times. Have you ever been bitten by a dog? How can I say this in Korean?
개한테 물린 적이 있나요?
개한테
물린 적이
물린 적이 물다 is bite.
Yes.
So 개한테 물린 적이
있나요?
있나요?
Yes.
개한테 물린 적이 있나요?
Yes.
Have you ever been bitten by a dog? And you say you've been bitten by a dog many times.
Many times.
Oh, do you have scars?
I have several.
Several. Why would a dog bite you?
It depends on the situation, but mostly out of fear when they're doing something wrong and try to scold them. That's usually what happened. Or just, especially bigger dogs, when you even just playing with them, they tend to bite harder than smaller dogs, even if it's just playing.
Yeah, so whether you're scolding a dog and they don't like it, or just playing, you could end up being bitten. I also have been bitten by dogs many times. However, here's a good life lesson for you, my son. Return the bite. I've been bitten, but I have bitten many dogs as well. That's right, revenge. They learn that way. They learn that way. When you get bitten by a dog, if you bite the dog on the ear, yeah, they learn, ow! They don't bite you so hard the next time. They know what's coming.
It's probably a very interesting experience for the dog as well.
I would only recommend, if you're going to do that, put a little salt on the ear first. A little better that way. Oh, yes, we love dogs. Dogs are wonderful. Dogs are man's best friend. But, it's time to go already. Hey, everybody, if you have a chance, send us a message. Type out a message and send it to us. We're happy to hear from you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for listening to the program. Thanks for listening to Father and Son. Take care. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Review Time. Can you remember today's sentences? Okay, here we go. Number 1. Are you afraid of dogs? Are you afraid of dogs? Number 2. What kind of dog do you like? What kind of dog do you like? Sentence number 3. Have you ever been bitten by a dog? Have you ever been bitten by a dog? Well, I hope not. Stay safe and love dogs. Thanks, everybody. See you next time.